I think I have a problem. And this is why I have a delivery cart. So I just got home and I had these two huge bags on my porch. I know that these are both from Temu. I did get an email saying that I had a Temu order. Don't mind Scout in the background. It's just squeaking away on his toy. So let's just get into it. Grab a drink, grab a snack, cozy up on the couch, and we are going to unbox this together. Let's go. The first thing that we got is this cute sweater dress. Oh my gosh, it's so soft, really long. I think it'll be so cute with some knee-high boots. This will actually be perfect for Thanksgiving. Originally, I was gonna wear it for the Nutcracker, but obviously it didn't come in time. And like I said, this will be perfect for Thanksgiving. See, what else did we get? Ooh, these are perfect. So these are some velvet ornaments. They are so perfect for my color scheme, and look how nice those are. And I think they were honestly like $12. They weren't bad at all in price wise. And as I said in my decorating video, my color scheme is the browns, creams, and then hints of green with a touch of red. So those are absolutely perfect. I did get a Mary sign already for our front door. I actually got that from the dollar store, but this one is so cute. So I will put this one up, and then the Mary one I will just set down on the ground, kind of like I did with my fall sign. But I love that one. This is so nice. This is a nice velvet color. This would be perfect for Thanksgiving too. I'm gonna have some options. It's like a velvet, and I love the color. I have a couple other corduroy ones like this, but not a velvet. So I love that. I did get another pair of flannels. I bought a pair of flannel pajamas because I needed some more just like sweats and pajama bottoms. And I loved the first pair I got. So I got another pair. These are just a little bit different color, but my gosh, they are so incredibly soft and they fit so well and just so cozy. Perfect for holiday season and just want to wrap up in a blanket by a fire. Next thing, these are kitchen towels. So on camera, it doesn't show pink, but when you're looking directly at it, it does have hints of pink. The pink in this is really noticeable. I think you can kind of see it on camera, and I don't love that because it just really throws it off. That might be something I return. One thing I will say I love about Temu is the customer service is like chef's kiss. You have something that you want to return, it's so easy to return. A lot of the times they'll give you the option to just keep it and not send it back, because like shipping costs probably honestly cost more than the product. But I've had literally no issues with the customer service. So the next thing I got, I did open this already, but is this cute little picture frame, and it has a little Santa and his reindeer. And this is nice because you can hang it up, or you can, you know, just set it on your wall. This would be cute in a little cubby, or like I said, a good wall decor. And then I did get a couple of kitchen towels. These ones do not show pink. I really like those. They're very classy, subtle. Those ones turned out good. I will be keeping these two. How cute is this? We are hosting this year, and so yes, of course I will have a charcuterie board. Holy moly, that is so big. But that actually goes around the base of the Christmas tree, and I love it. I love that it's just so subtle, but it has really cute detail to it. I think that'll look so good on the base of our tree with the color scheme we're going for. And then also like in the future, it'll be perfect. So cute. Love this. I am doing a hot cocoa bar, and this will be so cute for my niece and nephew. They will love it. Also, we can make some fun drinks in them. We did get two of these. I love these. Are so cute, and like I said, they'll be perfect for our little hot cocoa bar that I have. I did kind of show a little bit of a snippet that I did on the hot cocoa bar. Speaking of the hot cocoa bar, I did get a cute little sign for the bar. I will make a video of me just putting the little cocoa bar together. So cute. And their signs are so nice. It smells good. The wood smells like brand new wood. And then again, it has a little thing for the back so you can hang it up. But this one I will put on the wall where it'll just hang on the wall. And then I got another one that says Merry Christmas, and this is so cute. Again, has the back. perfect. Confused by this one. I know what this is. Okay. I was like, what is this? Oh my gosh, this would be perfect for this moment right now. This is a tripod for my phone, so I don't have to literally have it sitting on some books leaning up against a candle as I am doing right now. My husband jokingly said, I'm gonna get you a tripod for Christmas, but I already bought one. So yeah, I did get this, and then I got also a ring light for my phone. This part attaches, and then we'll see how it works. I don't know. It's nothing super fancy, but I think it would help with my lighting issue that I've been having. And so we will see how it goes. These are cute. These are little tags, just your Christmas tags that you write to and from. And then they have like little bows on them. So perfect for, again, my color scheme. I'm gonna be that girl to the second bottom of the bag. Next thing I got was some more pampas grass for my tall vases in the entryway, and then I actually have one over by the fireplace, but I did a chocolate brown so I can have it all year round in my vases. As you can see, chocolate brown is a theme in my house, and it just works out perfectly. So those will go in the vase. I did get some more bows. I already have a set of these. I really wasn't sure about the brown color, but I think it will all tie together really well. So I will tie these in some other spots in my house, and then these will also go on the Christmas tree. Some more tags. These are for our couches, which a lot of the time we keep our couch covered for the animals. We were smart people and decided to go light color on our couch, but surprisingly it stayed pretty clean. We do have the green machine that we use on the couch that has really helped, but all of our furniture is light. My cat does have a red chair that is literally her chair, and so these will be perfect. They are specifically for pets, so hopefully those will work really well. So cute. I have seen these all over my feed. I had a set of like 20 of them, but I wasn't really sure if I was gonna like them, but I actually really like those. These are a little bit more gold than I want, but I think honestly it's gonna tie together, especially with those like other bows. Like, this is so cute. Like, okay, come on. I will say this is probably gonna be one of my favorite years for my Christmases. One, it's in our first house, but honestly, it is like aesthetically perfection. Like I said, I was doing a coffee bar. They had them in silver or gold. I thought the gold matched better with my theme. And so they're just little stirs for their hot cocoa. Okay, those are so cute. So there's a little reindeer, a Christmas tree, a stocking, and then Santa right there. Those are so cute. Temu, I mean, people have lots of things to say about Temu, but I can tell you right now, Temu has never disappointed Tangled, so that's fun. So I will have 2 sets of these, but I have 2 big windows that I could hang these, or I might hang them in the guest room. I haven't decided. So we are, like I said, hosting, so we'll have family over. So I'm gonna want to decorate the guest room as well as the guest bathroom. So I have lots of goodies. I already did a video for decorating our house, but it is not fully done. So I will be adding these pieces, and then we have some more coming in the mail, and I will be sure to do another video once it is all decorated and you guys can decorate with me again. And then I will be posting a video of the coffee bar, and then I have some other content ideas that I will be uploading. So I'm super excited. This has gotten me so excited to video again and post. As you can see in my previous videos, I always just did unboxings or makeup, but honestly this is like my jam. I love wifey era, and it is my favorite era so far. So I will be putting out more content. I really appreciate all the views, and I'm so excited to keep growing this channel. It has been so fun, just fun to create, and creative juices flowing. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. Bye guys.